In this video, I will show you how to block channels on YouTube. And if this video does help you out today, please consider dropping down below the video, liking the video, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, let's jump straight into the tutorial. So the first thing you're going to want to do is of course come across to youtube.com and make sure you're logged into the correct account that you want to use to block channels from seeing. So once you're logged in, you actually want to go onto the channel that you want to block. So I'm just going to use one of my other channels. I'm not actually going to block this, but I'm just going to show you the process of what you would do. So say for example, I wanted to block this channel. What I would do is click onto the channel, and then what you need to do is click onto about. So if you look at the top, you've got this mini sort of menu here with a couple of options, and what you want to do is click onto about. So from here, what you want to do is look to the right of the page and you'll see a section here which says stats. So it's got things like when the channel joined and the amount of views. But what you want to do is click this little flag here. So if you click onto that, you're going to get some options available. And you'll see one of the options is to block the user. So what you want to do is go ahead and click this. As I say, personally, I'm not going to do this because this is one of my other channels. I'm just literally using this as an example. But yeah, you would just click onto the block user button and then that would block the channel from being seen. So I hope this video helped you out today, and if it did, I'd really appreciate it if you did drop below the video and like the video. And also if you would consider subscribing to the channel, I really do appreciate it. And with that being said, I will see you guys in the next tutorial.